replaced the brakes yesterday. So replaced the brakes, took it for a drive. And although the brakes are better, I still have the spongy brake feel. So the next thing I look, so normally they say brake booster or master cylinder. In this case, actually what I did was I siphoned out a little oil because this truck had been sitting for 2 years. And this is what the fluid looks like. It's pitch black, zero viscosity. See this? It's like water. So I think that spongy brake feel is tied to that. All right, so step one in this project is you gotta, when you bleed the brakes, is you wanna usually put a rag around this because it's very corrosive. Step two is make sure it's topped off, which it is currently. As you can see the line here in black. So this is actually full right now. So I took this out and put it back in, as you can see. So then you gotta close this. Now, I bought this bleeder kit. What you're gonna have to do is put this brake fluid in there to create a vacuum seal. All right, so it's important to note, you start with that tire first, then this one, then the one in front of that one up there, and then that one. So let's go ahead and crack that loose. All right, so you're gonna need a 10mm wrench to crack the nipple open, and then this is the bleeder here, and that's the nipple. You attach it, creates an airtight seal. So this is how much brake fluid I've already gotten out of the system. It's mostly black. So my wife's in the car pumping. Hold. You see the fluid is coming out. It's jet black. Pump. Hold. Alright, there we have it. So she's all bled. At the very end, she gave me grief. This nut here stripped. So I had to use a plier. Luckily, I had enough, but that's about how much fluid I got out of it. And yeah, so I'm gonna tighten this down and go ahead and get the wheel back on, clean this with a little bit of brake cleaner, and go take it for a test drive. And that's pretty much all she wrote. Till next time.